Time for another refreshing summer salad. This is a make-ahead as it needs to chill for 2 to 3 hours before serving. So you can do this the night before and then come home to an amazing supper waiting. Start with 1.5 tablespoons of your favorite salad oil. I'm using olive, to which we add 1 teaspoon of white wine vinegar, a 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice, a 1/4 teaspoon of dill weed, and don't worry, this salad will not taste like a pickle, I promise. A 1/4 teaspoon of Dijon, then 1/8 of a teaspoon of garlic powder, and salt. I'm gonna throw in a little dash of pepper there too. Then we get this mixed up. I'm gonna add that to a 1/4 pound of small shrimp and let it marinate. Get the shrimp all stirred up in that marinade. In the fridge, minimum of 2 to 3 hours. I have a plate of butter lettuce here and a 1/4 cup of diced jack cheese I'm going to add to the shrimp real fast. Get it stirred up with some of that marinade. Pop this down right in the center of this bed of lettuce for a dilled shrimp salad. This is a great make-ahead, as I said earlier. Great quick meal on a hot summer night if you want something lighter and on those nights when you just do not want to cook. So remember, cook for one, have fun, waste none. Recipe is below, along with a link to my solo cook survival guide. And if you want to keep the kitchen caffeinated, there's a link for that too. And for more salad recipes, check out this playlist. See you next time.